Access granted.
Welcome to your counterintelligence mission briefing. At Artsy, we create custom epoxy countertops. Any design, any color, fitting any budget. When our Artsy squad rolls up, you can count on us to execute the project and leave the premises like we were never there. There is nothing confidential about how happy we make our customers. Formulating the best epoxy, the best top coats, and the best service. At Artsy, we're simply the gold standard of countertop epoxy. Whether you're wanting epoxy countertops or want to start your own business in the epoxy industry, don't just make a good decision, make an intelligent one. This is counterintelligence. Call us today.
This message will now self-destruct.